Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the prerequisites. You need an active Capitec'thy bank account and the Global One app enabled. This allows market access. Open the app and log in using biometric or 2FA so you avoid delays. Once done, check that cleared funds equal at least the minimum trade size you plan to use. This prevents rejected orders. Make sure to note current brokerage and fee structure. Knowing costs helps you size the trade correctly and avoid surprises at settlement. You now execute the middle steps. Tap Invest, then Shares, and search the issuer using ticker or name so you target the right security. Review price, recent volume, and basic chart to understand liquidity and momentum. This reduces slippage risk. Choose Buy and enter either number of shares or an exact rand amount. Picking a limit order gives price control, while a market order fills fast. Once entered, confirm fees and estimated total. Then submit the order to route to the exchange. You finish by verifying the order confirmation and tracking settlement. Most South African trades settle on the exchange timeline noted in the app, so expect the holding after that period. Monitor your new position for price moves, dividend entitlements, and corporate notices. Staying informed helps you act when conditions change. If the order fails, first refresh the app and check network or balance. If unresolved, capture the error. Then contact Capitec'thy support with the time and trade details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.